multiplicative identity. Next property is multiplicative identity. A multiplicative identity of rational number is 1, because when 1 is multiplied with any rational number, multiplicative identity is what? Is 1. Because when 1 is multiplied by any rational number, we will always get same rational number. For example, when 1 by 2 is multiplied by 1, we are getting 1 by 2. Similarly, when 7 by 9 is multiplied by 1, we are getting 7 by 9. Now, next type of our identity is, we can also say, when 1 is multiplied by any number, we can also say 1 is multiplied by AB, then also we get AB in both the cases. Okay. Now, inverse, multiplicative inverse, multiplicative inverse, multiplicative inverse. Multiplicative inverse can be defined as the, so how can we define? If there is rational number AB, can be defined as the, if there is rational number AB, and when we multiply this rational number with some number, so that we can get 1. We can get 1. When you multiply any rational number with some rational number, then we get 1. So this rational number is called multiplicative inverse. Multiplicative inverse, or we can say reciprocal. Reciprocal. Let us see, there is a 3 by 5, and if we multiply 5 by 3, then what we will getting? We are getting 1. So this is called a multiplicative inverse. Next property is multiplication with 0. Property of 0. Next property is property of 0. Property of 0. Property of 0 means when we multiply any number, when we multiply any rational number with 0, or when we multiply 0 with any number, answer is always 0. This property is defined as the property of 0. And one more property is there, that is distributive property of multiplication. Distributive property of multiplication over addition or subtraction. This is also one of the main property. It means if we have got 3 rational numbers, let us take A by B, C by D, and E by F. These are the 3 rational numbers with us. And if we have these 3 rational numbers, and if we multiply like this, if we have A by B into CD C upon D like this. If we write like this, then this can be also written as how we have studied all these property in our previous videos. EF, sorry. One is this. So it means same. You can write this. AC upon BD. You can write this AC upon BD plus AE upon BF. It means multiplication is distributive over addition. Multiplication is distributive over addition. हमने एडिशन कर रहे थे ब्रैकेट में, मल्टीप्लाई किया और जो डिस्ट्रीब्यूट हुआ एडिशन के ऊपर. सिमिलरली फॉर सब्सट्रैक्शन, if AB is multiplied by like this and instead of प्लस यहाँ पे अगर सब्ट्रैक्शन होता तो हमारे पास क्या आता, AC इंटू BD माइनस करते हम लोग और AB इंटू EF, or we can write like this. So what we will getting AC minus BD minus AE minus BF. Let us move with some examples. Now we will see the example of this distributive property of multiplication over addition or subtraction. We have got one example. If we take A, so what is given in A? 5 by 6. Proceed with first question, that is 5 by 6 into minus 3 by 7 plus 1 by 5. And we know if we have got three fractions A by B, CD plus what? EF. Then we have to prove what? We have to prove this. We have to prove this. Now LHS 5 by 6 when multiplied by 3 by 7 plus 1 by 5, then what we have to do? We have to find out like directly LHS. So we have to multiply and we have to add in the bracket. For that we all know LCM is 35 and it is multiplied with 5. So minus 15 and it is multiplied by 7. So answer is 5 by 6 into minus 8 by 35. 1, 7. It can be 4, 3. So what will we answer? Minus 4 by 21. Now let us see for RHS. For RHS, we will see A into C, means 5 into 6 is multiplied by this plus 5 by 6 is multiplied by 1 by 5. Now because we are checking multiplication is distributive over addition, so we use plus sign here. Now if we see, we can write directly. We can also cut. You can cut 1, 2. So what we are getting? Minus 5, 14. Here 1 by 6. Again we will take LCM. LCM is what? LCM is what? 42. LCM is 42. So this is 42. This is the 15. And this is what? 7. This is 7. So minus 8 by 42. That is minus 4 by 21. Hence, therefore, LHS is, so given problem is what? Distributive over addition. Okay, rest of the examples, rest of the questions or exercise would be done on the same manner, so you can do yourself. We have done with 3 questions of 1C exercise, and if you have got any problem, you can let me know so that I can make video solution for that question. Now I am proceeding with question number 4, in which you are asked to find out the reciprocal and multiplicative inverse. So your inverse, we know a multiplicative inverse of this is a number which when multiplied with this, the result is 1. So when you multiply this with 11 by 3, then what you are getting 11 से 11 कट जाएगा, आंसर आएगा 1. So multiplicative inverse of 3 by 11 is what? 11 by 3. You can write multiplicative inverse or reciprocal inverse of 3 by 11 is 11 by 3. Similarly, multiplicative inverse of minus 5 by 21 is what? 21 by 5 minus 2. And this is 0. Multiplicative inverse of 0 does not exist. You should learn this thing right now. You understand in a better way in your senior classes. Again, when we multiplied by 1 by 15 with 15, so answer is 1. So you can write like this. Answer can be written like that. Reciprocal of 15 equals to 1 by 15. Or we can say multiplicative inverse of 15 is, so answer should be written like this. For all questions you should like this. Reciprocal of 15 is multiplicative inverse of 15 equals to this. Okay, rest of some questions are homework for you, and again I am telling you, if you have got any problem in solving those questions, so please let me know. I would make video solution for that. Now we are proceeding with next question. Some questions in question number 5th. Which property is this? Can you name the property? It is a distributive over addition, because LHS and RHS are same. If you multiply, when we multiply 3 rational numbers and we take sum of 2 numbers multiplied by third one, so this property can be we have done in question number 3rd. So you can see from there, it is A is what? Distributive over addition. A is what? Distributive over addition. Now for second, you have seen what you have seen. It is two rational numbers are there and order is changed. Order is changed. So what we can say, it is commutative. It is commutative. Please write commutative. In C, it is a property of 0. 0 is multiplied, so it is a property of 0. While in D, again, what we are looking for? Which type of property we are looking for? We are looking for distributive property of subtraction over distributive property of multiplication over subtraction. And in E, we have multiplied a rational number with 1 and getting same number. So this property is what? Property of identity.